this ultimate battle. Please like, subscribe, comment.
I feel like nobody's
These boys are going after each other.
Back up and then ram.
You can't because they keep constantly moving.
One guy's backing up.
Look at this chubby lady talking. Ooh, pop.
Top side.
He's like, dude, I was just sitting here.
God, I wish I got that on camera. I wish I got that on
They're
camera.
gonna ram each other. Ready?
Oh, he's running. America.
He was literally just starting to get back up.
Like that guy just gave me the middle finger. Beach monster. America.
That guy was literally starting
Fire.
Dad, that guy was literally starting to move, then he... That guy was literally starting to move, then he rammed him.
America.
You should have watched.
Redneck.
They knew what was gonna happen.
Dude, he was literally starting to move, then he just rammed him. He was like,
No, they're not. I'm sure. I guarantee you they have a rule. They're not allowed to hit the driver's side.
They're also not allowed to intentionally hit the car that's dead.
so I don't know if that's...
No, if the car is dead, they're not allowed to intentionally hit it.
Gotta be on the
Intentionally
website.
hit that car. So he will probably be disqualified.
That's probably why they stopped it.
I'm sure he's not allowed to hit the driver's side.
This
anymore.
is good.
They would have a lot more people
That's
really early.
illegal in this thing. You can't...
Look at this chubby lady with the mute on. Otherwise,
They
back to
haven't
the
dragged people
show.
out of their cars yet, so they're gonna let them race them.
They're probably trying to see if it's still fair. There's so many tires that pop though.
Look, it's a lady taking a picture. I'm taking a picture of her. This is good content.
Security to the pit, security to the pit.
Oh my god, this lady just...
Oh, security running by.
Look at them all over there lined up. I assume they're all over there.
What happens if he was in the porta pot?
Short track rules, new chain and go derby rules, modified rules. What are we blocking?
Sorry for moving camera. It is very difficult with this for 5 minutes now. Commercial break. Okay, we got all the cars over there. And we got tons of people. Stupid bug. And then we got more cars back there. That's up earlier. That one's in a dump truck. That's really nice. Got an ambo. We had to do with a broken back earlier.
These lights, those lights. No! About the blinking tower. Oh yeah, that's
Oh, look at them fights back there.
That's
They're fighting in the far back.
that sticking up the rope. He broke the rules and literally rammed his door.
Look at this fat boy.
Alright. We got our decision here.
Well, what shall it be? A commercial break.
Looks like we're still going to have 2 minutes.
We're tied. We're tied. What is it?
Hold her back on. Come on, now he's dead. That makes no sense. By the way, the America one earlier had a fire in it. It was amazing. There you go.
I was trying to back him. And mine missed. That one car's not missed. He's trying to leave.
My dude, you can't just lose now
He's
after
still
that
got one
long
more.
commercial break. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.